Hello everyone, this is a session on General Aptitude. In this session I have included the previous year question, that is GATE 2024. First question, if for non-zero real variable x comma y and real parameter a greater than 1, x is to y equal to a plus x, a plus 1 is to a minus 1, then the ratio x square minus y square is to x square plus y square is. Options are given below. Here given that x is to y equal to a plus 1 by a minus 1, that is x by y equal to a plus 1 by a minus 1, or x equal to y into a plus 1 divided by a minus 1. Squaring we get x square equal to y square into a plus 1 whole square into a minus 1 whole square. Now here given that x square minus y square is to x square plus y square, we have to calculate this. So that is x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square is equal to. Now we will substitute for x from equation 1. That is x square is y square into a plus 1 whole square divided by a minus 1 whole square minus y square divided by, again x square is y square into a plus 1 whole square divided by a minus 1 whole square plus y square. Now we will take y square as common, that is a plus 1 whole square by a minus 1 whole square minus 1. Denominator is y square into a plus 1 whole square divided by a minus 1 whole square plus 1. Now what we will do? Y square and y square got cancelled. Now we will take the LCM, that is a plus 1 whole square minus a minus 1 whole square divided by a plus 1 whole square plus a minus 1 whole square. Now we will expand this, that is a square plus 2a plus 1 minus a square minus 2a plus 1 divided by a square plus 2a plus 1 plus a square minus 2a plus 1. Here a square got cancelled, 1 and minus 1 got cancelled. In the denominator 2a and minus 2a got cancelled. So we get as, I will write it here, that is 4a divided by 2a square plus 2, that is equal to 2a divided by a square plus 1. So the final answer is 2a is to a square plus 1. This is the final answer. Next question. If the arrow mark indicates the increasing order of intensity, then the meaning of the words talk, shout, scream is analogous to please, dash, panter. That is, talk, when its intensity increase, it becomes shout, then scream. Similarly, we have to write this word. Please, dash, and pander. Pander is again similar to please, that is to satisfy. So from the given options, which is similar to please, we will see one by one. What is flutter? Fluttering means to move quickly in an irregular manner. Next is fritter. Fritter means to waste our time, money or energy on unimportant matters. Next is frizzle. Frizzle means to fry something. Next is flatter. Flatter is to please someone. So this is the answer. Next question. The decimal number system uses the characters 0, 1, 2, etc. 9, and the octal number system uses the characters 0, 1, 2, etc. 7. For example, the decimal number 12 is expressed as 14 in octal number system. Then the decimal number 108 in the octal number system is, that is, it is given that the decimal number 12 is expressed as 14 in octal number system. So we have to find 108 in octal number system. So 14 in octal number system. How do we get the decimal number for 12? That is 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1. Okay, the octal number is 14. From octal number we get this decimal number 12 as follows. That is 1 into 8 raised to 1. 1 into 8 raised to 1 plus 4 into 8 raised to 0. 4 into 8 raised to 0. That is 8 plus 4, that is equal to 12. This is how we get the decimal from the octal number. So in the options given below, these are in octal number system. We have to find the decimal equivalent and find which number is equal to 108. So we'll do one by one. 150. Now write it like this. Now this is 1 into 8 square plus 5 into 8 raised to 1 plus 0 into 8 raised to 0, that is 0. This is 64 plus 40, which is equal to 104. Next is 1 into 8 square plus 6 into 8 raised to 1 plus 8 into 8 raised to 0. 8 raised to 0 is 1. This is 1. Now 8 square is 64 plus 54 plus 8, which is equal to 126. Next is 1 into 8 square plus 0 into 8 raised to 1, that is 0, plus 8 into 8 raised to 0, that is 64 plus 8, which is 72. Next is 1 into 8 square plus 5 into 8 raised to 1 plus 4 into 8 raised to 0. This is 64 plus 40 plus 4, which is equal to 108. Thus we got the decimal number 108. So the answer is 154, option D. Next question. In the given text, the blanks are numbered 1 to 4. Select the best match for all the blanks. Following a row: blank, the shopkeeper, blank, the price of a frying pan, the cook stood still, blank, a row to withdraw the cash, blank, the ATM booth. So the options are given below. So this can be written as: following a row with the shopkeeper, over the price of a fry pan, the cook stood in a row to withdraw the cash at the ATM booth. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. A shopkeeper buys shirt from a producer and sells them at a profit, 20% profit. A customer has to pay rupees 3186 including 18% tax per shirt. At what price did the shopkeeper buy each shirt from the producer? Okay. Let the cost price be X. This is to be found. The price the shopkeeper buy each shirt, that is a cost price, which is to be found out. Next is profit. What is profit? Profit is 20%, that is 20% of X, which is 0.2x. It is given that the rate of tax rate is it is given as 18%, that is 0.18, and customer has to pay the selling price is 3186. So in this case we have to find the cost price when the selling price, tax rate and profit are given. So these are the equation. Selling price before tax is selling price by 1 plus tax rate, and selling price before tax is calculated as cost price plus profit. So here we can substitute, that is selling price before taxes. What is the selling price? 3186 divided by 1 plus tax rate is 0.18. This is equal to 2770. Now we have to find the cost price. So we'll substitute here selling price before tax price, that is 2770 equal to cost price plus profit. Profit is 20% of X, that is 0.2 of X. Cost price is here taken as X. Here the cost price is X. So cost price is X plus profit is 0.2x, which is equal to 1.2x, or X is equal to 2770 divided by 1.2, which is equal to 2250. This is the final answer. That's all for today. Thank you.